Bonjour à tous. Thank you for stopping at my channel, Anjelika's Kitchen Lab. Today we'll be cooking something very French and gourmand, leeks and Béchamel sauce. For this we need obviously 4 to 5 leeks, chicken broth, rosemary, butter, flour, Emmental cheese and milk and nutmeg and salt and pepper and bacon. Okay, let's start. I'm starting with cleaning leeks. They should be cleaned very thoroughly because the dirt could stuck between the layers, so we need to clean it very well. So I'm gonna start washing them and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so our leeks are very well washed. Now I cut them in the middle. And now I cut them together in pairs, so they're not gonna fall apart after boiling, okay? Like that. And one on the lower part. Okay, now I put them in the boiling water for 15 minutes to make it nice and soft. Okay, now we're gonna prepare Béchamel sauce. We have a softened butter here. Okay, nice and soft. Then we're gonna add flour. I'm gonna do 2 ways, not all at the beginning. And start continuously mixing together. All right, so a little bit more flour. Now I'm gonna add some broth. Keep stirring. I like the consistency already. All right, so we get a little bit less. And now we pour some milk. Beautiful. And just keep stirring. I'm gonna check my leeks. All right. Keep nice. And I will just keep stirring it until it gets a little thicker. Okay, our leeks are supposed to be ready. We'll just pull them out. Nice and soft. Smells amazing. See? Those wraps are really helping. They're not falling apart. Beautiful. Love it. Okay, so our beautiful leeks covered with Béchamel sauce, rosemary, wrapped in prosciutto, okay, and they're ready to go in the oven. All right, now I'm gonna just put the cheese on the top. I use Emmental. That's one of the best cheeses for this recipe, but you choose any one you like. Okay, our leeks are ready. They're all wrapped in the prosciutto, covered with Béchamel sauce, and on the top I put Emmental cheese. This is the best recommended for this recipe. Now they will go to oven for 40-45 minutes, 400 Fahrenheit. Take a look. Okay, it's been 35 minutes. I checked twice. Now it's nice golden brown. Let's pull them out. Woo! Okay, come to mama. Crust. So good. So I need to cool down, and I'm gonna try in 5-10 minutes how it tastes. All right, let's try it. Amazing. So good. Thank you so much for being with me today, watching my video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the button, and leave your comments. And come back for next video. Have a wonderful day.